So this is the process of installing the RTD cable into the transpirator hose. What you're gonna need is fish tape, RTD cable, the vice grip tape, the cable puller, measuring tape, a knife and lubricant. So you're going to install the fish tape on the one end. And you're going to install the cable, put the cable puller through the fish tape. Gonna get a piece of electrical tape. Wrap it around the fish tape and the cable puller.
Special for this cable puller, you have to make it smaller. You have to stay down. Yeah. You have to make it smaller, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna do that after. Then you put the cable through the cable puller. I'm gonna put some lubrication on the electrical tape. Before you get to the end, have it flush with the cuff. And once it's in there, you want 4 inches from the edge of the cuff. So the RTD is going to be
4 inches.
4 inches, yeah.
So you have to pull from here 4 inches.
Then on the other end, you're going to pull it out. Once you pull it from this end, you want 15 inches from the cuff.